How to create Monopoly Go dice links. Need a boost of free dice rolls in Monopoly Go? Here's exactly how to create and use dice links. First, start by launching the Monopoly Go on your device. Now tap the friends icons, usually in the bottom right corner. This opens your social hub. You can tap on this add friends tab. This is where sharing power starts. Now you will see invite button right here. Tap on it and a unique dice link will appear. Once generated, tap copy or share your link to your friends via text or social media. You need to remember that only first time players who join with your link count. So when someone new taps your link and installs the game, they will be added as a friend and you earn a free dice rolls. It's like a referral system built right into the app. So yeah, that's it. That's how you create dice links in Monopoly Go. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and share your one dice link in the comments. Thanks for watching.